Hey everyone. If you're building an online community with Circle and want to integrate it with ActiveCampaign, today's tutorial is for you. We're going to connect the two platforms using Zapier to ensure that every new community member is automatically added to your ActiveCampaign workflow. So let's jump into it. Once you're logged into Zapier, you want to go and choose to create a new Zap. All right, we're going to select Circle as the trigger app. Here we go. Great. And then we are going to choose, let's see if we can choose new member. Community, new member added. All right, and then, so this is going to be our trigger event. So this will ensure that every time someone joins your Circle community, they're automatically added to your email list in ActiveCampaign. So next, we're going to set ActiveCampaign as the action app. ActiveCampaign. There we go. All right, so from here, you can decide what happens. Maybe you want to tag them as a community member, add them to a welcome email sequence, or even send them exclusive content. So let's just add a tag here. There we go. Also remember to sign into your ActiveCampaign account and your Circle account as well. All right, so then you can go ahead and configure these and map the data. And then when you're done with that, you can go ahead and test it to see if it's successful and it's working properly. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and turn on your Zap. So this integration allows you to nurture your community members automatically and keep them engaged with personalized content. Great. And just like that, you've connected Circle and ActiveCampaign, making it easier to manage your community and marketing efforts together. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description.